Dry skin often feel tight, irritated, and lack that natural glow, but with the right products and routine, you can restore moisture, strengthen your skin barrier, and keep your skin healthy all day long. So today I'm sharing an ultimate skincare routine for dry skin featuring the best hydrating, soothing, and nourishing products that will help you achieve soft, glowing, and well moisturized skin. The first and the most important step in any skincare routine is cleansing, but when you have dry skin, it's essential to use a hydrating and non-stripping cleanser. So I start with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, which is an ultra gentle, non-foaming face wash that cleanses without stripping the skin's natural moisture. It's packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which help to repair the skin barrier and retain hydration. This cleanser has a creamy texture that glides smoothly on the skin, leaves it feeling soft, supple, and moisturized. No tightness or dryness after washing. After cleansing, it's time to restore hydration and strengthening the skin barrier. So I use the Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner, and it's my absolute favorite toner, which is suitable for all skin types, especially dry one. It is enriched with ceramides, which help in lock the moisture and protect the skin barrier from damage. Also, it has a lightweight, milky texture that feels incredibly soothing and instantly relieves tightness or dryness. If your skin tends to feel parched or irritated after washing, this toner will give you an instant hydration boost. Now for that extra nourishment and hydration, I love using the number number 3 Radiance Glowing Jumbo Toner Pads. This toner pad is literally a game changer if you have really dry skin, because this additional step will literally transform your whole routine. These toner pads are soaked in a formula that contains 50 fermented ingredients which help to brighten, hydrate, and strengthen the skin. Fermented ingredients are great for improving skin texture, soothe irritation, and adding a natural glow to dry skin. Then I use the number 5 Goodbye Blemish Serum, which is formulated to calm and heal blemishes without drying out the skin, that help fade dark spots and reduce redness while keeping the skin hydrated. Just look at that glow. Then I top up my favorite Indie Wild Bakuchiel Face Serum. Bakuchiel is a natural alternative of retinol, which means it soothes fine lines, improves skin elasticity, and enhances the skin texture without irritation. It's perfect for dry skin people because it hydrates while providing anti-aging properties. This one is also packed with nourishing ingredients that boost collagen production and reduces signs of aging over time. Additionally, you can also incorporate LED face massager onto your routine, and let me tell you, this one is my favorite skincare tool. If you are a dry skin girly, use the red LED setting, which is known for its anti-aging, collagen boosting, and skin rejuvenating properties. This step helps to improve skin elasticity, reduce dryness, and enhances overall skin glow. I use it for about 5 minutes, focusing on areas that tends to feel the driest, like my cheeks and the forehead. The best part, this tool also has heating and sonic vibration, which will eventually increases the product efficiency. Now it's time to seal in all the hydration with a good moisturizer. So here I'm using the Bioderma Intensive Gel Creme Moisturizer, which is deeply hydrating but lightweight at the same time. It has a gel cream texture that absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft, smooth, and plump. This moisturizer is designed for intensively dry and sensitive skin, and it provides long-lasting hydration without feeling greasy or heavy. No skincare routine is complete without applying sunscreen, no matter what your skin type is. So next I'm using this Face Shop vegan sunscreen, which is hydrating, lightweight, and just perfect. Sunscreen is an essential part for preventing moisture loss, protecting against UV damage, and keeping your skin barrier strong. Now this sunscreen has a smooth texture which leaves no white cast and doesn't feel heavy or greasy, making it a perfect choice for daily use. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you have enjoyed, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more such content.